Question number 4. Find the roots of the quadratic equations by using quadratic formula in the following. First subdivision, 2x square minus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. We have to compare standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A was the coefficient of x square 2, b was the coefficient of x minus 3, c coefficient of c constant term minus 5. Quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. இப்போ இந்த ஃபார்முலா சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணோம். x is equal to b வந்து minus 3 minus b minus of minus 3 plus 3 plus or minus square root of b square minus 3 the whole square 9 minus 4 a 2 c minus 5 by 2a. A is 2 into 2. X is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 2 minus plus 4 into 2 8 by 40 by 2 into 2 4 is equal to 3 plus or minus root 49 by 4 is equal to 3 plus or minus root 49 is 7 by 4. X is equal to 3 plus 7 by 4. X is equal to 3 minus 7 by 4. X is equal to 10 by 3 plus 7 10 by 4. X is equal to minus 4 by 4. Therefore, x is equal to 5 by 2 and x is equal to minus 1 are roots. Second subdivision, 5x square plus 13x plus 8 equal to 0. ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This standard quadratic equation. Compare panna a equal to 5, b equal to 13, c equal to 8. Quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. By substituting the corresponding values, x is equal to minus 13 plus or minus square root of 13 square is 169 minus 4 a 5 b c 8 by 2a 2 into 5. X is equal to minus 13 plus or minus square root of 169 minus 4 into 5 20 into 8 160 divided by 10. X is equal to minus 13 plus or minus root 169 minus 10 9 root 9 by 10 is equal to minus 13 plus or minus 3 by 10. Root 9 is plus or minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to minus 13 plus 3 by 10. X is equal to minus 13 minus 3 by 10. X is equal to minus 10 by 10. X is equal to minus 16 by 10. So, by 8 by 5. This is minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 8 by 5 are roots. Third subdivision, minus 3x square plus 5x plus 12 equal to 0. ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the standard quadratic equation. A equal to minus 3, b equal to 5, c equal to 12. X is equal to minus b minus 5 plus or minus square root of b square 5 square minus 4 a minus 3 c 12 by 2 into minus 3. X is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus into minus plus 4 into 3 12 12 into 12 144 by minus 6. X is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 169 by minus 6 is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 30 by minus 6. Square root of 169 is 30. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5 minus 13 plus 13 by minus 6. X is equal to minus 5 minus 13 by minus 6. X is equal to 8 by minus 6. X is equal to minus 18 by minus 6. இப்போ minus minus cancel 1s are 3s are இது வந்து 4 by minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to minus 4 by 3. X is equal to 3 are roots. Fourth subdivision, x square plus 2 root 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. Comparing the standard equation, a equal to 1, b equal to 2 root 2, c equal to minus 6. Formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Therefore, x is equal to minus b minus 2 root 2 plus or minus square root of 2 root 2 the whole square minus 4 a 1 2 b c minus 6 by 2 into 1. X is equal to minus 2 root 2 plus or minus square root of 2 the whole square 4 root 2 the whole square 2 4 into 2 8. இது minus into இது ஒரு minus minus into minus plus 4 into 6 24 by 2. X is equal to minus 2 root 2 plus or minus root 32 by 2. Root 32 है 4 into 2. 4 4s are 16 16 இது 16 into 2 32 அப்ப இத 4 root 2. X is equal to minus 2 root 2 plus or minus 4 root 2 by 2. X is equal to minus 2 root 2 plus 4 root 2 by 2. X is equal to minus 2 root 2 minus 4 root 2 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to plus 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 plus 4 root 2 2 root 2 by 2. So, x is equal to root 2. Here x is equal to minus 6 root 2 by 2 is equal to minus 3 root 2. Therefore, x is equal to root 2, x is equal to minus 3 root 2 are roots. Fifth subdivision, x square minus 3 root pi x plus 10 equal to 0. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 3 root pi, c c equal to 10. X is equal to minus b, minus of minus 3 root 5 plus 3 root 5 plus or minus square root of minus 3 root 5 the whole square minus 4 1 into 10 by 2a 2 into 1. X is equal to 3 root 5 plus or minus square root of இது மைனஸ் ப்ளஸ் ஆயிரும், ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணால் ப்ளஸ் ஆயிரும். 3a ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணால் 9, 5 ரூட் 5 ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணால் 5, அப்போ 9 into 5 45 minus 40 by 2. X is equal to 3 root 5 plus or minus root 5 by 2. X is equal to 3 root 5 plus root 5 by 2. X is equal to 3 root 5 minus root 5 by 2. X is equal to 4 root 5 by 2. X is equal to 2 root 5 by 2. For 2 to cancel, you can 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 root 5. X is equal to root 5 are the roots. Sixth subdivision, 1 by 2 x square minus root 11x plus 1 equal to 0. A equal to 1 by 2, b equal to minus root 11, c equal to 1. X is equal to minus b, minus of minus root 11 plus root 11 plus or minus square root of minus root 11 the whole square minus 4 into a into c is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So x is equal to root 11 plus or minus root of minus root 11 square பண்ணா 11 minus இது கட் பண்ணா 2 minus 2 2 into 1 2 by இது 2 into கட் பண்ணா 1. அப்போ x equal to root 11 plus or minus root 9. Therefore x is equal to root 11 plus root 9 and x is equal to root 11 minus root 9. So it's equal to root 11 plus 3 is equal to root 11 minus 3 answer. Seventh subdivision, x plus 2 by x minus 2 plus x minus 4 by x plus 4 equal to 6. X not equal to 2, not equal to minus 4. அப்போ ஃபஸ்ட்டு எல்சிஎம் எடுக்கணும். எல்சிஎம் எடுத்தால் ரெண்டு டினாமினேட்டரையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணோம். எக்ஸ் மைனஸ் 2 இன்ட்டு எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் 4. எல்சிஎம் டிவைடட் பை எக்ஸ் மைனஸ் 2 எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் 4. எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் 2 இன்ட்டு எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் 4 plus x minus 2 into x plus 4 divided by x plus 4 x minus 2. X minus 2 into x minus 4 equal to 6. இப்போ multiply பண்ணா x into x, x square, x into 4, 4x, 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 4, 8 plus x into x, x square, x into minus 4, minus 4x, minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into minus 4 plus 8. The whole divided by x into x, x square, x into 4 plus 4x, minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into plus 4 minus 8 equal to 6. ஸோ பாருங்க ப்ளஸ் 4x ப்ளஸ் 2x ப்ளஸ் 6x இது மைனஸ் 6x கேன்சல். அப்போ எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் ப்ளஸ் எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் 2x ஸ்கொயர் ப்ளஸ் 8 ப்ளஸ் 8 16 டிவைடட் பை எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் ப்ளஸ் 2x மைனஸ் 8 ஈக்குவல் டு 6 பை 1. இப்போ கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் 6 இன்ட்டு எக்ஸ் 6x ஸ்கொயர் ப்ளஸ் 6 இன்ட்டு 2x 12x மைனஸ் 6 இன்ட்டு 8 48 equal to 2x square minus plus 16. இப்போ 6x square minus 2x square plus 12x minus 48 minus 16 equal to 0. இப்போ 6x square வந்து 2x square போச்சுன்னா 4x square plus 12x minus 64 equal to 0. இப்போ dividing by 4 table go. Dividing by 4 x square plus 3x minus 16 equal to 0. இப்போ comparing to the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A would answer 1, b வந்து coefficient of x3, c வந்து constant of minus 16. Formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. அப்போ corresponding value substitute பண்ண x is equal to minus b minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square 3 square is 9 minus 4 1 c வந்து minus 16 divided by 2 into a 1 2 into 1 2. X is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus into minus plus 4 into 1 4 4 into 16 64 by 2. Therefore x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root 9 plus 64 73 by 2. Therefore x is equal to minus 3 plus root 73 by 2 and x is equal to minus 3 minus root 73 by 2 are the roots. Subdivision A 2x by x minus 3 plus 1 by 2x plus 3 plus 3x plus 9 by x minus 3 into 2x plus 3 equal to 0. First நம்ம டோட்டலா 3 fraction இருக்கு. 3 fractionக்கு நம்ம LCM எடுக்கிறோம். LCM எடுத்தா x minus 3 into 2x plus 3 தான் LCM. x minus 3 into 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 3 2x plus 3 அப்போ 2x into 2x plus 3 plus LCM 2x plus 3 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணா x minus 3 into 1 x minus 3 plus x minus 3 2x plus 3 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணா 1 1 into 3x plus 9 3x plus 9 equal to 0. இப்போ இதை கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா 0 வரும். இப்போ 2x into 2x 4x square plus 2x into 3 6x plus x minus 3 plus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. இதை கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா 0. இப்போ 4x square plus 6x 7x plus 10x plus 6 equal to 0. இப்போ 2 டேபிளால டிவைட் பண்ணலாம். dividing by 2 2x square plus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. இப்போ ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் குவாட்ராட்டிக் ஈக்குவேஷனுக்கு ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணால் ax ஸ்கொயர் ப்ளஸ் bx ப்ளஸ் c ஈக்குவல் டு 0, a ஈக்குவல் டு கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஆஃப் x ஸ்கொயர் 2, b ஈக்குவல் டு கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஆஃப் x 5, c ஈக்குவல் டு கான்ஸ்டன்ட் ஆஃப் 3. குவாட்ராட்டிக் ஃபார்முலா x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. இப்போ corresponding value substitute பண்ணா x is equal to minus b minus 5 plus or minus square root of b square is 5 square 25 minus 4 into a 2 3 by 2 into 2 is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 4 into 2 8 8 into 3 24 by 4 is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 25 minus 24 1 root 1 is 1 by 4. Therefore x is equal to minus 5 plus 1 by 4, x is equal to minus 5 minus 1 by 4, x is equal to minus 4 by 4, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 6 by 4, 2 table cut பண்ணா minus 3 by 2, x is equal to minus 3 by 2, x is equal to minus 1. இப்போ x is equal to minus 3 by 2 இங்க போட்டா 2 into minus 3 by 2 plus 3 அப்ப 2 2 cancel minus 3 plus 3 0 ஆயிரும். அதனால x is not equal to minus 3 by 2 இது கிடையாது. x is equal to minus 1 is only one root.